I'm Gus the Gummy Gator.
Hi little gators, today we're gonna play Roblox sliding down stuff. Looks like we're gonna try to slide down something right now. Maybe this fidget spinner will help me go faster. Whoa, it's like a rainbow river. That must mean I'm walking on water. I didn't know that was an alligator superpower. Whoa, was that box trying to hit me? No, it's like a minion. Whoa! Oh, now we're in a real waterfall. Whoa! Go back! This is too scary! No! Whoa! Looks like there's a big drop-off ahead. Whoa! Now we're in a river of lava or melted pizza. I can't tell the difference. Whoa, I know my face doesn't look like it, but this really is fun. Whoa! There's coins everywhere. Looks like somebody left their lunch money. Maybe Peck. What happens if I go down this door? Whoa! No, that was the wrong way! Wow! I'm floating in the air! It's like the Matrix! Everything's moving so slow and I'm moving so fast! Wow! Look at the view from up here! Uh-oh. Oh, I guess I didn't make that. Now we're in hyperdrive and back up in the sky. Woohoo! I didn't know I had flying powers too. I'm loving this game. Whoa! We're really high up. I wonder if Rocky gets this high when he takes flying lessons. Okay, let's see if we can slide down this thing. Oh, why are we going so slow? Okay, faster, much better. Come on, let's go. No, are we ever gonna reach the end? Are we ever gonna get our big reward? Oh. Come on! Whoa, yeah! We're back in that rainbow river. Looking good. Come on! And jump! Oh, we're gonna make it! Nah, we're not gonna make it. Nah, crap. That didn't end so well. That's all right. We'll try again. Maybe this sparkly stuff will make me go faster. We need a new form of transportation. All right, a red fidget spinner this time. Come on, fidget spinner. Let's go faster. Whoa, here we go again down this river of rainbows. Whoa, this one is much faster. Whoa. No, rat. We had a fidget spinner car crash. What's that? Mo, what are you doing? Hey, come on, can't you see I'm working here? No, I don't want any popcorn. Whoa, I'm messing up, Mo. Come back later. Whoa, now we're in that river of lava again. Whoa, my focus is all off course now. No, I'm never gonna win. It's that trap door again. We're just flying in circles on a fidget spinner. Whoa! It's like that time I got on a carnival ride and it didn't end so well either. Okay, let's try again. Maybe not a fidget spinner this time. Maybe a bright rainbow box. Perfect! This thing looks safe. I bet there's even seatbelts on here. All right, we made it past the first really hard spot. Let's go. Whoa. No, why am I going upside down? I don't want to be upside down. I hate the world with this view. Whoa. No. Okay, much better. We're back in the river of lava again. Whoa! Yeah! Now we're back in that waterfall. I can't even see straight. Whoa, what a roller coaster ride. I think I like this rainbow box. It seems much safer. Whoa! All right. Now we're in a whole new world. Upside down, too. Why am I on my head like this? Come on, turn over. Okay, back in the river of lava. Whoa! This looks like Star Wars or something. And Rainbow Bright. Whoa! Whoa! What's a cat doing up here? I think we're almost finished. Ah! I'm on my head again. Whoa! Whoa! No, this is no fun when you can't see anything. Come on, how do I get this thing to turn over? Turn over! Whoa! Oh, so close to the finish line. I think we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Yeah! All right. No, rats. We lost that one. Again. No, Mo, are you back? Whoa, what you got? I don't want a pizza. I wanted popcorn. Mo, get back. I'm trying to win a game here. Finally. Takes a lot of concentration to try to win this game. Whoa, no! And now we hit a traffic jam. What's a minion box doing in here? Looks like someone smushed it in a fish tank. Whoa! No, rats! I lost again. Jeez, I think I'm gonna win a trophy for losing so much. Oh, well. Okay, this is gonna be it. We're gonna win this time, I knew it. We're just gonna be in this ice cube box. Because ice cubes go faster down slides. Let's go, come on. Okay. We made it past one part. Wow! Now we got in an ice cube wreck. It can't be any good. What's Spider-Man doing down this slide? Spider-Man? I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Oh, whoa! Ah, we're losing control! Okay, we're back in the molten lava road. Whoa! Ah! Jeez, does anybody know how to drive these boxes? I sure don't. Maybe somebody should start a school for driving boxes down slides. Whoa! Ah! Come on, go straight! In a straight line. It's not that hard. Whoa! Woo! Wah! Oh, now we're going sideways. Whoa! Back in the air! Come on, come on! Come on, I want to get to the finish! We're so close! We're so close! Whoa! Now we're going into outer space, down the Rainbow Road. Whoa! How crazy is this? It's like we're going into light speed. Let's go! There's that crazy cat again. Whoa! Oh, I guess I better get used to driving on my head like this. It keeps on happening. Whoa! All right, we passed the octopus. I don't know what that thing was doing there. Oh. Come on, Ice Cube Box, let's go! Go faster, we're almost done. We're almost done, I know it. We're gonna get the biggest reward ever. There it is. Here's the finish line. Whoa! Yeah! Ha-ha! We made it! All right! We're the winner! Along with this giant rubber ducky and a blue octopus. Who ever heard of such a thing? Okay, what's our prize? What's our prize? What's our prize? Dogs? What? A pizza dog? Yeah! All right, I get to ride a pizza dog. I can think of no greater reward, except maybe a Mountain Dew dog. Do I get one of those too? A green Mountain Dew dog? Maybe a motorcycle? And some stereos. Yep, I love it. Thanks for watching, litigators. If you like my show today, why don't you leave me a comment in the bottom and let me know what I should play next time. See you soon.
If you had fun today,